All right. Got a package in the mail. I know what it is. It is the new wheel assembly for my WR since I broke it 6 months ago. My dog right here is very hungry. What? Gosh, this is wrapped up a lot. So if you have a WR250R, the tricky part about getting a new wheel is that you have to get another WR250R wheel. You can't buy just a wheel for another bike and hope it fits. It won't fit. Pretty much nothing is the same as it. Yamaha made all of their bikes different. Good call on them. You know, makes money every time they sell parts. Got this off eBay. Oh, something's attached here. That's probably an axle. Axle and spacers. Alright. Aha. There it is. A wheel. Now if you look here, show you the difference. See this wheel in there? You know, it's all good. The this part right in here, solid. Mine, my bolts had loosened, and as you can see, I'm missing 1, 2, 3 mounting bolts. I only have 3 on that side and none up there.